Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new process that is write a Java program to print all the repeating element in the array. So, before wasting the time, let's start the video. So, first of all, we just have to create our own array. The type of array is the int type, symbol of array, and the name of the array, like ARR. Whatever you want, you can take your array name. Then, inside of curly braces, we just have to mention some values over here, like 4, 5, 2, 7, 5, 2, 9, 4, 2. These are the values I have taken here. You can take whatever you want. Then what we have to do, as you can see here, the our values is not in the sorting order. So first of all, we have to sort this, but we can sort the this array with the without inbuilt method. But here, what we have to focus the repeating element. So we just implement the repeating element without any inbuilt method. Okay, and the sorting we just perform with the array. If you want to know about the how to inbuild sorting array, so then you can watch my previous video and I will mention in the uh, descriptions over here. Okay, so let's take arrays. The arrays which is present in java dot between brackets, just enter, then arrays dot sort. This is the method which is already present in arrays class. Then just mention your array name. So it will be sort your array. You can print now your array if you want to print your array. Let's take this out. So yes, uh, ARR. You might be getting the address. I think yeah, you will get the address over here. If you have to printing this, you need a for each loop. Then print this. Control X. Let's take for each here. I think our video is getting lengthy if I explain this. Okay. Let's take int now or element ele column arr. Whatever the values inside of this array, it will be coming inside of this for each loop. Inside of this, just control V, and instead of ARR, we just write the ELE element over here. ELE. Okay, and let's run it. See, we will getting the 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 7, 9. This is the sorting order. But here in the next line, because of the println statement, we just remove the ln and just plus and concatenate with a string of a space over here and see. Run it again. See, we will getting the sorting order. Now we can easily to compare that the 2 is equal to 2, 2. So it means the 2 is repeated over here. Then we can see the 4 is repeated, 5 is repeated. So let's implement this. So let's remove this over here and we just take this out and repeating element are okay. Then just come out here and take the one for loop over here and it will be starting from the 8 I is equal to 0 and I should less than of ARR dot length. It will be going until the ARR dot length. Then I plus plus. Inside of this for loop, we just need our condition over here. That is the int ARR of I is equal to ARR of I plus 1 over here. And just sys out the IRR of I over here. So what is the meaning of this line over here? The the meaning of this line is ARR of I means the place of 1. That means the place of 0. And ARR of I plus 1, the place of 1 will be compared. Okay. So this way of the comparing the values and check if it's a copy element or not. But you might be getting printed with the all the duplicate element. Let us, if you have a 4, the 4 is 2 times, it will be printing the 2 times over here. So that we don't want to be. So just what you have to do, just come out this, not come out, just side of this if loop, if conditions. We also have to mention while loop here, while, sorry, uh, WH while I should ARR dot length, while ARR dot length minus 1 length of, and let's take, and ARR of I is equal to ARR of I, sorry, I plus 1. Then inside of this, just I plus. So what is the meaning of this line? The meaning of this line is just skip over all duplicates, duplicates, duplicates of this number. So basically, is what is happening here. The condition is like if the I is less than of ARR dot length minus 1, okay, and means if the both condition is true, then and ARR of I is equal to I plus 1. What they have to do? Just I plus plus. And what you have to do now? Just run our program and see what we will getting. Let me run it and see what we will getting. We will getting the java.array.index out of bound exceptions. Why? Because of this, I think, length of ARR. So let me uh, remove this over here once again. Okay, here the our length is int I is equal to 0 and ARR dot length minus 1 over here. Then we will not getting the ARR dot length. See, we will getting the repeating element 2, 4, 5. If we remove this, I think let me remove this while sections and run it and see what we'll be getting over here. Let me run it. Okay, yeah, this curly braces also. Run it again and see. We will getting the repeating element are 2, 2, 4, 5. So as you can see here, we're getting the 2 in the 2 times over here. So we don't want to be, for that reasons, we need a while loop over here. And this while loop is considered to do not print the repeating values. Just print the values which is the repeated in the array. So 2, 4, and 5 we will getting here. I hope you will understand these videos. That's all about these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.